All right, so we're here at the Hampton Inn at Collinsville, and you might think that noise damage, like to your hearing, is limited to airports, but we have our very own jet engine right here at the Hampton Inn. You guys ready?
Just like the crackling beep beep.
This is a loud fan. Wow. The thing, I mean, it sounds like it has a gasoline engine powering it or something. Oh, bumper.
How much horsepower is your elevator?
Love to see a bumper. I can still hear the fan loud and clear with the door closed. But I guess that's it.